Okay, so just for fun, I just decided to take out all of the keys on my 60% old keyboard I used to use every single day. And look at this shit. Hold on, let me focus it. Look at that. Oh, that is fucking disgusting and vile. Does this work? Does that work? I guess we'll see. Alright, keyboard, you better fucking stay on there. I'm about to pour water on you. Oh. Look, it's just like it's brand new, guys. Look. Oh, I need to stop cussing. Oh no, my child audience is going to be very upset by the fact that I'm cussing a lot. Alright, hold on. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. 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 Now comes the fun part. Oh boy. And this is the finished keyboard. It doesn't even look good because the keycaps aren't clean. Why did I not clean the keycap? Might as well include a sound test of the clean Gateron Reds. These are optical, so yeah, let's just give a sound test. Hold on. Yeah, and that's it. That's my finished work. That's barely anything. That took me like 30 minutes. Oh my god.